Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll be animating the text logo Olli Hub. Our main character in this animation will be the dot of the letter I. If you'd like to follow along and need the After Effects source file, a free download link is provided in the description below. Let's dive into the process step by step. If you have any confusion during the process, do let me know in the comments. First, we'll set up our composition. For this animation, I recommend using 60 frames per second to ensure a smooth and fluid motion. We'll start with the dot of the letter I, layer 17. Apply a bounce animation using the position property. Add a free effect called Shmear from Battleaxe to give it a cartoonish style. Here is the speed graph for reference. Next, we focus on layers 15, 16, and 18, which represent the letters L, L, and I. Use position properties with an elastic expression to animate these letters. Here are the keyframes and speed graph for your reference. Layer 14 represents the letter O, designed as a circle stroke. Apply the trim pads effect to this layer. Adjust the timing so that the dot of letter I morphs into the letter O. Now, let's animate the green dot of letter I, layer 12. This dot will jump from the letter O and bounce onto its respective position in letter I. In this section, we will animate the word hub, starting with the letter H. Layer 7. A small square will be animated to reveal parts of letter H. Apply the Shmear effect to add extra life to this square during its animation. The two vertical lines of letter H will also have an elastic effect applied to their position and scale properties. The letters U and B will be animated using both bounce and Shmear effects for added dynamism. to ensure smooth follow-through in our animations. Parent parts of letter H to a null object named null collect H, which will control their positions during animation. Similarly, parent layers of the word Olli to a null object named null collect Olli, applying an elastic effect to enhance their movement. Finally, after all these steps, we will preview our completed logo animation. The result should be visually appealing and engaging, showcasing a lively representation of Olli Hub. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video to support the channel. Thank you for following along.